In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Lastly, select Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!